Well, Earth Hour is now the biggest global event around climate change, where people in countries all over the world turn off their lights to show that they want people to tackle climate change. And great buildings like the Eiffel Tower and the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge all turn their lights off to show that we must all tackle climate change. Thousands of people across Wales have signed up to Earth Hour. That means that at 8:30 on the 26th of March they'll all be putting their lights out, and they've come up with some great ideas of things that they'll do with their lights out. Some of them are having candlelit dinners, like here in Chapter Arts Centre, they're having candlelit dinner for us. But also buildings all the way from the Senedd in Cardiff Bay to Caernarfon Castle are turning their lights off, and Cardiff County Hall and the big clock tower in Newport, all turning their lights off to show they want action on climate change.
We're very excited to have a candlelit supper theme, so we've got little candles all around so that when we drop the lights down low people can still see their food. And we're just encouraging everybody to wear these lovely bracelets and to take them home and to raise awareness with their friends and family.
In TGI Fridays they've had a load of events for children where they've been doing face painting, learning how to make lanterns, so when the world goes dark they've got their own lights to go forward. It's more than an hour this year, and particularly in Wales here where we've got elections to the Welsh Assembly in May. It's a real chance for people to show that they want the new government to take action on climate change and that they want to ask questions of their candidates. So we really want people to take forward their interest. Ask anybody who wants their vote, what are you going to do with it? What are you going to do to tackle climate change? And we're part of a coalition of other organisations called Stop Climate Chaos, and we'll be organising hustings in some of the key constituencies around Wales where people can come and ask those questions of the candidates and ask them what they'll do once they're in government to tackle climate change.